Okay, I did the menu. Sorry. I always want to clean and stuff. Put this. This together was 50 rands. And this. I wanted to try this when I was outside the country. I saw that they made a new flavor, so I wanted to try it. Then dog, yeah. Try to cook a Sunday meal with some friends. I want to also because I'm trying to clean the toilets and then to unblock the sinks. Like this. It's definitely all that I got. So here I started washing with the washing machine. So I researched how to wash the washing machine because last time the washing machine I had this a bad smell on it. So I didn't want this one to have the same thing that it has. So I had that you use a baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, and the vinegar to wash your washing machine. You must remove the filter. That's the one I show you. So how bad and dirty it was. So you wash it with the warm water and your dishwashing soap. You just scrub it. Like just that I didn't get a footage of it when I was done washing the filter. I didn't show it, but you wash the filter, then you remove the place where you put your washing powders and your fabric softener. You also scrub it. Then when you are done, you put it back, and the place where you put your fabric softener, you then put the vinegar. Or you can put it where you put your the washing powder. Then you close it back. Then inside I was wiping that washing machine with the soap, which is the dishwashing soap and the vinegar. No, I didn't put dishwashing soap. I soak the cloth that I'm using in a vinegar. Then I was wiping or in between the, I don't know what they call it, the drums or whatever, this thing that is, there's a line in between there that you used to hold if maybe your clothes had something inside the pockets, you find those things inside that line. So I use the cloth with the vinegar to wipe it. So if you don't want your washing machine to smell, to have bad smell, to just flush all the dirt that is in there, you put your vinegar inside, you put the bicarbonate of soda, then you let it wash. I let it wash for 15 minutes, which is the quick wash on this kind of washing machine. I don't know how many minutes the quick wash is on the different one, but on this one it was 15 minutes. So I let it run until it flushes everything. Hi guys, so I bought the tomato flavor of Simba chips that just produced not so long ago. I want to try it. Let's try it together. Smell like tomato. Feel like nickness. If you like tomato flavor of nicknames, you're going to like this. This is going to be your favorite.
I hope they don't change the recipe along the way, because this is so flavorful. This is nice. I give it a 10 over 10. But knowing Simba very well, they will change this. Because I used to like the barbecue of beef, smoked beef, Simba. But now you can't even hear the smoke beef. Can't even taste it. I also like creamy cheddar, but now creamy cheddar I don't really like it because it got a lot of oil. Simba, don't change this.